Yeah, that's a great hornell. We have one of those coming out soon.